Apple opened its first store 2.5 years ago, and now this US tech giant Apple is set to open its Noida store tomorrow. It will be company's fifth official Apple store in India. The new store brings together Apple's full lineup of products and services. Charu is here with more details.
After launching 4 incredibly successful stores in the Indian domestic market, Apple has now opened up its fifth store in India. That means the second one in the Delhi NCR region after Apple Saket, that is going to be opened from December 11th at 1 p.m. in DLF Mall of India. So what is driving this retail growth in India? Why this aggressive expansion of sorts in the offline domestic market, and what is to be expected from this particular store? It's very important to understand that the sales of the Apple brand in India have grown significantly. In FY25 alone, the net revenue grew about 18% to about 7,000 crore rupees. In fact, more than that. In fact, the net profit has also increased significantly to over 3,000 crore rupees. Now, the consumers who are going to be coming to the store from tomorrow are going to experience the complete exposure to the most premium and most famous products at the Apple store. They're going to be able to interact with the Apple staff, creatives, geniuses, and are also going to be able to come and attend the Today at Apple sessions, which are going to help consumers understand the best purpose of the Apple devices. This includes how to use the devices in a most creative and more well-rounded manner, whether it is for photography, art, music, coding, videos, etc., etc. Now, what other things are happening here? Firstly, the Apple market share in India has increased to about 9%. The psychological share in the Indian market is even beyond that. In fact, the most of the Apple iPhone 17 family is also being manufactured in India. The other stores in the country include the ones in Mumbai, in Pune, in Bangalore, and there's another one, as we mentioned, in Saket. Apart from this, there are going to be other stores opening up in Mumbai region as well. In fact, if analysts are supposed to be believed and if the analyst reports are to be quoted, the growth is going to increase tremendously in the coming 3 to 4 years. In fact, the brand can very well capitalize on the demand that is going to increase in the next 3 to 4 years. And apart from this, what is the consumer experience expected to be like? At this very store, the consumers are going to be able to get their hands on the most premium products available. For example, Apple iPhone 17, the MacBook series, and also the iPad series. And the consumers are going to be able to understand their users better by interacting with the staff members present right here at DLF Mall of India.